So over here we look at the patterns of US unemployment rate. I have data from 1955 all the way to 2015 over here. What I see is fluctuations of the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is not going to be a constant number, but this will go up or go down. One of the reasons why unemployment rate is up is because the real gross domestic product is down, and unemployment rate goes down when real gross domestic product goes up. Number 3, the observation is the unemployment rate, I'm just going to write as UR. This is in percentages, all these numbers is never going to be equal to 0 for an economy. This is always going to be some positive number. Number 4, what I really see here is we have all these fluctuations, and I see there is a tendency for the US unemployment rate to fluctuate around 4% to 6%. Okay. Now, if I look at unemployment rate by gender from 1972 to 2016, the female unemployment rate was higher than male unemployment rate. After that, the male unemployment rate went up, surpassed the female unemployment rate, and right now the gap has narrowed down. Now, that was by gender. Now, if we look at unemployment rate by age group, older population, they have lower unemployment rate than younger population. One of the reasons is the younger population, this group, are moving in and out of jobs very frequently compared to the older population. So the older population is sometimes these guys are just retiring. If these guys are retiring, they will be out of labor force. That means neither employed nor unemployed. Unemployment rate also varies by race and ethnicity, as you can see. Now, we can also look at international comparisons of unemployment rate. I have this 10-year US unemployment rate. Now it is really high because of this COVID pandemic, and the real gross domestic product is down. This one in percentages is up. I see the same pattern for the Canadian economy. The unemployment rate is up, similar to the US economy. I can also look at some international comparisons of unemployment rate. I can look at the US economy, the Canadian economy, the Japanese economy. But a note of caution here while you do cross-country comparisons is different countries have different definitions of unemployment. They use different survey tools, and they have different labor market conditions. Alright, so this really explains us the international comparisons of unemployment, and we got some idea about the unemployment rate is really not staying constant over time. And the other observation that I did not make here on the first slide is we see low unemployment rate for very small periods. Okay, so that's all for now.